That's what actually happened. Okay, so that is it for padding. That is it for padding. That is it for the padding. And like you can see, this is the content itself. That immediate space after the content itself is what we call padding. Is what we call padding. Is what we call padding. So this is the padding. All right, and then I didn't emphasize on something. Let me quickly do that before we go to the key. Every element except for the inline, they have a height and width. Okay, this div, they have a height and width. This h, they have a height and a width. Okay, that's why I was able to give this div a width and a height, and then it obeyed a height of 50 dvh, and then it's brought this line here, height of 50 dvh. And also the same way we can do for these words. We can do width. There's some small number, it will shrink itself to be able to occupy that particular width you give, of course. So let's try that to see this particular div. Okay, fine, let's work with what the h1. Okay, so in our css, let's say div h1, div h1. So let's go to our css. So I've already pointed to it, div h1. So inside that, let's say a background color. Let's give the background color so that whatever we are applying, we should see it visible. Okay, brown, background color of brown. Okay, it has been applied. What about if we change the width? Because it's a block element that's blocked from the left to right. Yesterday we've learned about that. Was it yesterday? Then let's give it a width. Width. Every item there is a box. Remember again, every element is a box. You can give them a width and height, except for that inline types. A width of, let's say, 100 pixels. Control plus S. What happens? Check and see. 100 pixels is very small. It has shrunk itself. How about 300 pixels? 300 pixels. You see that from the starting or the left side of the screen, that's gotten a width of 300 pixels, and then it has what? It has shrunk itself to be able to occupy that particular width. How amazing. What about the height? Let's give a proper width. Let's say that 700 pixels. 700 pixels. All right, that's okay. What about the height? The height, height, everything you can give them width and height, except for the inline types. The height of, let's say 100 pixels. Let's start from 100 pixels. Okay, and see what happens. Okay, that's a lot. And what if the height was just 50 pixels? You can see that the 50 pixel height for the background, the thing is the text has to jump out because the font size you have given is too big. What about a height of, let's say 900 pixels? Jump to that, and then that's widen things up. Everything is a box having width and height. Probably the inline type, they are very stubborn. They are hard to be started with the width and height. So that is for width and height. All right. Now, the next thing that we should look at here is the border. The border is just the line that is surrounding the element or the content, whatever that appeared on the screen. For us to be able to experiment that, let's okay, fine, let us at least decrease let me decrease. A lot of things are opened. Document is opened, another document is opened. WDT is a website, and then I think I'm using this. Yeah, this has to, this one is here. Can go. All right, it's okay. Let's go to our website, and then this one here has to go. I'm not using this. Okay, so inside our code, the width, let's just remove them. Okay, Control plus S to save. Right, let's give a reasonable width. Okay, a reasonable width of, let's say, a reasonable width, let's say 150 pixels. 150 pixels. It's okay. Man, it's small. It's very, very small. Alright. Then the way this live preview is doing now, let's use 500 pixels. It's okay. Oh, what about, I just want the thing to just fit well. Okay, fine, let's use that. Man, let's add additional. Let's make it like 800 pixels. See what happened? I didn't build a column. 800 pixels. I think it's okay now. Fine. Now we want to experiment with the border. Okay, let's say border, border. For the border, there are some values that we can give to the border property. Okay, the border, let's give it a size. Let's say